Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA did hit our support area. It came a little bit further into it. It did not react to the golden ratio. It did that basically many times before here in our support areas. So we need to see, is this support area going to hold? To a degree, it certainly depends on Bitcoin. The thing is that ADA rallied yesterday in a 5-wave move. It created that 1-2 setup. It then rallied out of our support area as anticipated in a third wave, hit the 1.618 extension target, which is an ideal target for a third wave, did hold our wave 4 setup and rallied in a wave 5 to the target because we put into, when we were up here, I showed you that ascending trend channel, highlighted to you that these 5-wave moves oftentimes end when the upper boundary line is touched, sometimes briefly broken. So that was certainly relevant, hopefully helpful to a lot of people. Then we came down also as expected in a wave 2. We highlighted yesterday the possible top, gave you the wave 2 support area. We are in it now, but now it needs to turn around. So expectations would be for a bullish outcome as long as, let me just double check that, but only as long as price is holding above 35.67 cents. If we break below that level, then we might have to reset this yellow wave 2 and the previous support area remains relevant. That's why I leave it on the chart. But for now, I'm watching if this was really a proper 5-wave move with a 3-wave move down into support. And if this is a 1-2 setup here, and by the way, I'm going to change just the color to yellow so we see it a bit better. Then the wave 3 rally should take us into the 40-cent region. But the condition again is that it holds the 35.67 cent level. Important would be to understand that this can cascade up quite a bit if these support ranges are holding. Again, wouldn't be a disaster to break below 35.67 cents. It would just mean that we probably have to reset this wave 2. Then we're basically in line with what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing, because then you had a larger ABC structure here. It's a bit too early to say. The problem is that so far we haven't really made a sustained break above previous highs, so you cannot really confirm as such that we are in a third wave. Yeah, we had 5 waves up. That's sort of the first level of confirmation. We had we're now in the support area, but we have no evidence it's holding it yet, at least. So that will be the second confirmation, and the third confirmation will be a rally and a sustained break above that resistance area here around 38.6 cents. I can also attempt to apply here a sub-wave structure count. Bit tricky here with this structure. I mean, best I could tell, best I can tell is probably that we had here an A wave. Yeah, let me see. So if I'm, again, this can shift and morph, but it's probably more like, okay, we had our one AB here, and this is now a C wave with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe done, you know, just be ready. But again, these can extend out quite a bit. They can morph into other structures. So this is on a lower time frame like that. These are unreliable. Always mention it because a lot of people see them and think, okay, it now must do another low or whatever, or it could be done, so I go long, all in, whatever, without focusing on risk management. So please understand that these sub-wave structures, they're always fluid, fragile. So what we need to do, we need to understand these key fib levels, and if it breaks below 35.67, we know that the previous support area gets relevant, and I can then not rule out that we might come down all the way to 34.15, and then we've got the next decision point. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.